Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some clouds moving off the coast, giving us some partly to mostly sunny conditions. Currently, temperatures only in the lower to mid-40s at 44 degrees. Seeing some winds starting to become quite gusty, and they will be gusty this morning, and expecting a wind advisory for the morning hours once we move, most likely about a half an hour to an hour from now, seeing those winds gusting over 25 knots. Once we move in the afternoon hours, seeing those winds calm down, most likely below wind advisory criteria of 25 knots, and we'll continue to see those winds calm overnight, giving us a cold start for our Friday. No chances of precipitation or lightning today, so in general, good weather day on the winds this morning. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, cold front well off the coast. We have an upper level trough over the Great Lakes, and cooler air mass moving into our region this morning as an upper level disturbance moved through early this morning with some cloud cover overnight. Our current conditions, our current weather is scattered deck around 6,500 feet. Winds out of the northwest sustained at 9 knots, gusting 18 knots at that time. Currently gusting up to 22 knots, so seeing those winds increase fairly quickly this morning. Temperature in the lower to mid-40s and relative humidity at 55%. So taking a quick look at our satellite imagery this morning, you can see we do have mostly clear skies currently across our region, seeing some cloud cover over the Appalachian Mountains as well as some lake effect snowfall across that region. Going to see a good lake effect outbreak, snowfall outbreak as we move into this weekend. Going to see areas near Buffalo going to get a good amount of snowfall across the region as we do have a colder air mass over those warmer lakes, but it's very typical for this time of year. Just the snowfall rates will be higher in some locations due to those bands setting up. Over our region, though, we'll continue to see those mostly sunny skies expected today. Not really much cloud cover over the area today, but moving into our risk chart for today, we'll see those winds over 25 knots this morning, gusting up to 28 knots expected, and then gusting only up to 23 knots this afternoon. So seeing that brief time period this morning, expecting wind advisory. Winds calm down overnight and become light, and we'll see a low around 32 degrees. Tonight, as I mentioned, highs today in the upper 40s, around 48 degrees. As far as other risk categories go, we'll be green across the board other than the winds this morning. Our 24-hour terminal forecast, we'll see a VFR conditions today into tomorrow morning. Just a few clouds around 3,000 to 5,000 feet from time to time throughout the next 24 hours. Our tides are running normal. Looking at Friday into Saturday. Friday, mostly sunny to partly cloudy and slightly breezy, a high of 49. Friday night, partly cloudy and cold, low of 33. And for Saturday, mostly sunny and chilly, a high around 50 degrees. Green chart across the board for those three time periods. Could see some wind gusts near 20 to 21 knots on Friday afternoon, but overall, good weather across the region to end the work week into the first half of the weekend. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. Hope everybody has a great day. We'll be back at 10 o'clock to look next 7 days.